Hydraulic pressure applied through the ram close port in the BOP body moves the BOP's operating pistons inward, closing the rams. Hydraulic pressure applied through the ram open port is used to open the rams. These are the pressure requirements for UBOP operation. Light hydraulic oil is the recommended operating fluid for UBOPs used in land drilling operations. Any type of standard operating fluid is satisfactory except fuel oil, which degrades rubber seals. Water can also be used, with lubricant added to prevent corrosion and if antifreeze is added when needed. In marine operations, a water and lubricant mixture is recommended. Wedge lock locking mechanisms are available for use on the UBOP. Once the UBOP's rams are in the closed position, hydraulic operating pressure is used to close the wedge locks. The locking taper on the wedge lock acts against the tail rod extension to mechanically hold the rams closed, even when actuating pressure is released. Rig pressure also provides the means to unlock the wedge locks. If the BOP is equipped with sequence caps, the wedge locks will unlock automatically before the rams are opened. For BOPs without sequence caps, make sure the wedge locks are in the open position before opening the rams. To move the bonnet assemblies away from the BOP body, unscrew the bonnet bolts and apply hydraulic pressure to the ram close port. This provides access to the rams and other components for maintenance and repairs. Following maintenance or repair, ram hydraulic opening pressure is used to close the bonnets. The rams are pulled outward towards the bonnets before the bonnets begin moving toward the preventer body. This assures that the rams never obstruct the bore or interfere with pipe in the hole. Hydraulic pressure draws the bonnets tightly against the preventer body to hold the bonnets closed until the bonnet bolts can be installed. To open the bonnets on a UBOP that has a hydraulic bolt tensioning system, thread a bolt tensioner onto a bonnet bolt. When pressure is applied to the tensioner unit, its piston acts against the bolt's operating rod, stretching the portion of the bolt between the threads at the tensioner and the threads in the BOP body. The bonnet bolt nut can then be removed for bonnet opening. After the bonnet is closed, the tensioner is used to stretch the bonnet bolts just enough to correctly preload the bolts. The bolts are then made up hand-tight. When hydraulic pressure is bled out of the piston, the preload on the operating rod is transferred to the bonnet. The tensioner can then be removed from the tightened bonnet bolt.